After the CPI data a few days ago, we've seen USD beginning to increase in strength. There is this momentum that the US dollar have gained after the CPI data. And remember, next week is the Fed interest rate decision, which means it's going to shape the direction of the market. So in this video, let's talk about the price prediction and price analysis for USDJPY, USDCAD, and Euro USD. All of this in this very video. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Check the channel for other forex content. The USD JPY 1-day chart, if you look at this very point, market moved from this very point of support and move upward, resistance, market come back to the downside. What I am expecting right now is market to continue upward, because this is what I've been talking about. Remember, I've been talking about this retracement to the downside after a divergence that was at this very area on the MACD indicator. The divergence played out up to this very point, and right now market is beginning to have a continuation of the next impulsive move all the way to the upside, and that is what you need to focus on right now. Market have capability of moving upward, and this is what you need to pay attention to. This is very important. That means taking a buy position will be the best idea for you to do right now if you are trading USD JPY. So from this very point, if you look at the Fib retracement tool and you draw from this very area to this very point of resistance right here, you discover that this very market find end of retracement within the 0.382 level at this very point and this 0.50 level. So this is the zone where retracement end, and I believe this very move is the next impulsive move all the way to the upside on USD JPY. And this is what you need to consider very important. Another confirmation that this market have capability of moving upward is if you use this very stochastic RSI indicator. So the stochastic RSI indicator, as you notice, at this very point was oversold condition. So at oversold condition at this very area, markets come out of oversold condition and cross above the 20% line, which means market have capability of moving upward after crossing the 20% line of the stochastic RSI indicator. What this means is market have capability of moving upward, and that is what you need to pay attention to right now if you are trading USD JPY. So pay attention to market moving upward, and market have capacity of moving into the overbought condition at this very point, which means market have enough strength moving to the upside. And right now the US dollar is very, very strong, and from Fed interest rate next week we can also tell whether it will be stronger or the momentum is going to reduce and the BS will take over for a few days before this move will continue all the way to the upside. Because what I believe on this very chart, from what I am seeing, is that the market should continue this very move all the way to the upside on the USD JPY chart, moving upward. And if you look at the 4-hour chart right here, you discover that there is something very different right here on this very chart. Is market was coming back down, okay, because of this level of important resistance right at this point, and then market did not enter into the oversold condition, but we see a crossover here which send a mixing signal. But nevertheless, you don't trade with indicator, you trade indicator as a confirmation to what you already know on the chart. So focusing on price action, you discover that there is a breakout, and this breakout, for me, market is going to move upward regardless of what the indicator is saying. So what I am looking at right now is market moving upward on the 4-hour chart as well, USD JPY. USD CAD, if you notice, USD CAD is having a dull momentum. Look at it here. Market move from here upward, little retracement, upward, little retracement, and this very move happening right now, for me, it does not have strength. Therefore, market will not just be moving upward. I am looking at something retracement before continuation. This is what I am looking at, because this is a different pair, USD CAD. So on USD CAD, pay attention to market moving upward a little bit, okay, entering this very level of 1.4336 and this very zone where the market is right now. So pay attention to a retracement within this very zone right here before market is going to come back to the downside for a significant retracement. That means market will move a little bit into this zone, and then we will get that retracement back down from the bears. So the bears is going to take over from the market very, very soon on this chart, maybe next week. And this is what I am personally expecting right now on this chart. So don't just say that since you see this market moving upward, we know that this is a progressive upward movement. But if you look at the progressive upward movement, you discover that the way the market move here and retrace is not the same way the market move here and retrace. So this move have a lot of strength, this one have a lot of strength. If you look at this, there is a lot of bearish candle within this very zone with a very little bullish momentum around this very area. Okay, it's not very significant. We see this very powerful candle right here, and this very one which is a rejection, which means market is about to move downward. But what we need to wait for is a further confirmation on price action, and that is why I am looking at market moving upward a little bit into this very area, and then from here we'll begin to see retracement probably next week of trading. And this is what I am personally looking at right now on the USD CAD chart. So if you trade USD CAD, please pay attention to this. Market is going to retrace back down. And if you come back to the 4-hour chart, if you look at the 4-hour chart right at this point, you discover that market move upward, create a new high, come back down, create another new high, which means market have capability of moving upward and retracing. So expect retracement within this very zone. Little retracement, continuation, and market can finally come back to the downside. So before we can say that market is going to completely come back down, there must be a break of structure on the 4-hour chart. Then we use the 4-hour chart break of structure to verify on the 1-day chart top-down analysis to be very sure that the market on the 1-day chart is going to come back all the way to the downside. And this is what you need to pay attention to. And the first structure to pay attention to or look out for right here is this very structure right here, because that is the recent support that we see on this very chart. So pay attention to market breakout on this very level of support right at this very point. Once we see that breakout, then you know that there is a structural shift on this very USD CAD 4-hour chart. So once we see the market come back down, break this structure, it will begin to come back down for a significant retracement on the 1-day chart. That is very important. And this is what I want you to keep your eye on as well if you are trading the USD CAD chart. Euro USD 1-day chart. If you look at this very price action, it discovered that market has been coming back down. Market moved from this level of important resistance right at this very point. We see resistance right here, come back down, retracement, come back down. What I was personally expecting on this chart is for market to retrace up to this very level, okay, before it will come back down. But we see something very different right at this point. Market do retrace very little, but they not come into the zone I was expecting market to come into at this very point before continuation, because I was still expecting market to continue back down so that we can take more sell opportunity all the way to the downside. So if you look at this very point, it is called market did not come into the zone I was expecting market to come into, which is this very area. Since market did not come into that very zone, market still move all the way to the downside, now respecting this very level of important resistance. And right now market have capability of moving to the downside, in my opinion. And what we need to wait for to confirm that very movement is for a breakout to happen right here. We need to see the market breakout of this level of support, because this level of support was where we see rejection from in the past. Once we see a breakout right at this very point of support, then it means that market have capability of creating a significant impulsive move all the way to the downside before the next retracement again will come into the market, and then continuation to the downside. So what you need to pay attention to right now on this very chart, Euro USD 1-day, is for market to come back down in line with what we are seeing right now on the chart. This continuation, market impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, impulse is already in the market, and this is what you must pay attention to right now. Notwithstanding, if you look at this very price action as well, at this very point, it discovered that at this very area, market is moving out of overbought condition. And when market is moving out of overbought condition, it means that market have capability of coming back down. And you can see that there is a crossover already between the blue line and the orange line. Not only that, the market have gone below this very 8% line right here on the stochastic RSI indicator, which mean market have capability of coming back into the oversold condition. And I am looking at market coming back down as well, in line with this very price action or structural formation that we are seeing on the chart of market impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, and impulse is already in. So it is better for you to pay attention to selling the market for Euro USD. A short position to the downside or a sell position to the downside will be the nice idea right now as we enter into next week of trading. And next week of trading, very importantly, is the FOMC meeting in the federal fund rate that is also going to shift the dynamics of this very chart. And I'm going to be updating you if there is any shift in the dynamics of the Euro USD, USDJPY, and USDCAD chart. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that forex content. Join our Telegram group with the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. And if you've not watched my video on the 5 rules that help me become a better trader, which will definitely help you as well, check this video right here. It's going to help you become a better trader. And if you want to learn more on ICT and SMC trading strategy, check this video right here. It's going to help you as well. Thanks for supporting this channel.